Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, we have seen silver now trading at a level of $35.9590. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen the previous week, that the price has touched a level of $37.331, and after that it has come down continuously down for 2 weeks and middle of around 35.2. Chances are very high that if the price keeps sustaining this level and if it goes above a level of 36.3, we can see there can be a further rise. And if the price going above this level, probability of going towards 36.8 will be there. Okay, and if that sustain, we can see the price can go further higher towards 37.3. And if the price moving above that particular level, this is the U pattern is forming and chances are high it can move towards a level of 37.3 and then a further upside can be seen. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, it can come down again towards next support, that is 35.4, and this 35.4 is already tested, so we can see the price will go further down and a level of 34.9. This is a support where a bounce back can be seen, and once started going below this level, it can move towards 34.6. These two levels are a strong support, so a bounce back can come from this particular level, so chances of going further upside will be there. So if that didn't sustain, we can see a level of 34.3, and if that didn't sustain, we can see it can move towards 33.5 and then a further low can be seen. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Look at this particular chart. Okay, if you look at this particular chart, let's see how the dollar index is moving, because it plays an important role. Okay, because it is inversely related to silver. So when dollar index rises, we see the gold price or silver price comes down. Similarly, when the dollar index move down, we see the silver price goes up. Let's see how the dollar index is moving. If you look at this dollar index chart, we have seen the dollar index on a day-wise chart or a weekly chart, you can say, or a monthly chart, you can say, there is a continuous fall. Okay, and this level we have seen after a long time, that is Feb of 2022. We have seen the price has come to this level. Okay, and if you look on a day-wise chart, we have seen the gap is there, so we can see the price can rise again towards 97.6, or after filling this gap, a probability of bounce back we can see. Okay, and if that started going further fall, we can see it can move towards again $97, and if the price falling below that particular level, we can see the price can come down towards a level of 96, and from there a level of 95.2, and if the price going below that particular level, chance of touching 94.5. Okay, and if the price going below that particular level, chance of touching 93.4 will be there. Okay, and if the price fall below this level, a further fall we can see. But suppose if the price sustain above this level, it can fill this gap at 97.6, and from there a further upside we can see towards $98.2. And if the price going above this level, probability of touching a level of 99.3, and then a further upside can be seen towards next level, that is $100.6, and from there a level of around 101 to a level of $102.14. And if the price moving above that particular level, chance of going towards a level of 103.5, and then a further upside can be seen. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. Now let's see how the silver price will be. Suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if it sustain, we can see a level of $36.3, and if the price going above that particular level, this level, chance of touching 36.8 we can see. Okay, and this level is already tested, so the price can go further upside, and yes, after that it can touch a level of $37.3. Okay, and suppose if the price sustaining above 37.3, then there will be a zone breakout, so chances of going further upside we can see after the price started sustaining this level, because we have seen that this level, after, you can say, after 2012 the price has come to this level, so chances are high that the price can go further upside towards a level of 37.6, and if that sustain, we can see the next level, that is 38.8. Okay, this is a weekly chart, so if it started sustaining this level, it can touch a level of 38.8 and then a further upside. Best you can do, you can trail your SL by $0.5 or 0.7. Okay, so you can capture a big movement towards an upside. Okay, and if the price started, see, this is a weak price from 37 to 38.8 is a big dollars difference. Okay, I'll make a day wise a video also. You can check that if you are trading on intraday or a day wise chart basis. Okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain, see, market is uncertain, so you have to understand that suppose if the price started falling below this level, it can move further down towards 35.4. Okay, and this level is already tested, so the price will come down towards next support, that is a level of 35.2. After 35.4, the price can touch 35.2, and if the price going below that particular level, chance of touching a level of around $34.8. Okay, and suppose if the price falling below a level of 34.8, it can touch a level of 34.5, and once the price moving below that particular level, chance of touching 33.7, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of around 32.4. After crossing a level of 33.7, chances of touching 33.6, from there a level of 32.8, and then it can touch its level of around $32.3. Okay, and if the price fall below this level, a further fall can be seen. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.